Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. So a lot of you guys ask about the warehouse and what does the warehouse look like? What do you have in it? How big is the warehouse? So I figured on this Ask Matt, I would show you a little tour of the warehouse side of it. A lot of you guys see the offices and everything, but you don't really see the stuff like this. We got the air hockey table over there. We got the ping pong table over here. We got the foosball table over here. Just to let you know, I dominate in all of those. We got darts here. We got the TV, Apple TV, Xbox, stuff like that. And then we got a few different massage chairs here as well for some rest time. But let me flip the camera around here and show you what the actual warehouse looks like so you guys can see where all of your actual products come from. So this is our main side of the warehouse right here. You can see we have a lot of our rhinestones down here. That whole area over there are rhinestones as well. Over there we have a lot of our FDC sign vinyl. Back area there, all the vinyl cutters, more materials all over here. We got the Magic Flock down there. Shipping area right on over there. These are some of the orders that are going out already this morning. All of these brand new orders headed out to you guys. Might be one of your orders right there. And I will go down and show you all of the area of the heat transfer vinyl where they cut all of that as well. There's Sage. He's a Blues fan.
Game 7, we're winning.
They're gonna lose tonight. So all of our Caesar heat transfer vinyls here. This whole side, heat transfer vinyls, foils at the end. And this side right here, we have all of our FDC sign vinyls. And again, more rhinestones down at the end there. A lot of other different FDC vinyls here. A lot of other different heat transfer vinyls. Over here, up there was the game area I was just at. Shipping area here. Got our Roland GS24s, our Graph Techs, our Silhouette Cameos, our GCC cutters. Some of our GCC cutters just came in today, it looks like. So that's the shipment that just came in for the GCC Expert 2s. And then some more of the shipping stuff right here. Got some of the new high tack R tape that came in today. Roland Versacam over there. Again, shipping area over here. All of our custom quotes. Some more orders for today over there. And this is actually a machine that helps weigh out a lot of the stones and help bags those up as well. The glitter FDC sign vinyls here. These are all of our flat back stones, which require the super tight glues, and some more of the hot fix stones here. You can see with our new packaging here. Pretty sweet. Then we have our mascot down here. Hi, baby. What's up? Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Look at you. You say hi? This is our TRW warehouse guard dog right here. What do you think? Is she gonna scare everybody away? I think so.
I'm not sure if actually just calling you.
Alright, crew, so hopefully that video gave you a little insight as far as behind the scenes and what the warehouse looks like. That's one half of the warehouse. Then we have all of our built out area in here that you see all the time, and then another area just like you saw on the other side of the warehouse that's unair conditioning, that has storage with the van and the trailer and all that type of stuff. So hopefully it gave you an idea. I always like to show kind of where you're ordering stuff, what the Rhinestone World is, everything we have, and kind of a behind the scenes of what goes on here. So now, I didn't want to mess with them too much. They got a bunch of orders in. Some of them were at lunch, so they were trying to get that stuff done. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think of the TRW warehouse. Let me know what you think of TRW. And let me know if you think that the Blues are going to win tonight, or Sage is going to be a sad, sad guy tomorrow, being a big Blues fan like that. I can't say much. Lightning went out first round, so go Blues, I guess. All right, crew. We'll see you soon. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me another Ask Matt for Friday. But you guys have an amazing day. Thanks, crew. Later.